Hey, it's Ben here from Solid Essay. Unlocking the process of writing a research paper can simplify your academic life. Let's demystify the list together. Writing a research paper is a crucial academic skill. Here's how. 1. Understanding the task. Determine the type of research paper you're writing, analytical or argumentative, and the requirements. 2. Choosing a topic. If not provided, pick a topic that is engaging and has enough resources for research. 3. Thorough research. Utilize reliable academic sources to gather data, facts, and diverse viewpoints about your topic. 4. Develop a thesis. Your thesis statement should clearly state your stand or interpretation of the subject. 5. Outline your paper. Draft a skeleton of your paper, including the introduction, methodology, results, and conclusion. 6. Writing the paper. Follow your outline. Use evidence to support your thesis in the body paragraphs. 7. Introduction and conclusion. The introduction should provide context, while the conclusion should summarize your findings and restate the thesis. 8. Citations. Cite your sources appropriately using the recommended citation style. 9. Proofread and edit. Check grammar, punctuation, and ensure that your argument flows logically. Demystify research paper writing for others by liking this video and sharing it with your friends, because knowledge shared is knowledge amplified.